My favorite book in the whole world, which is the Bible. If you read from Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1, it talks about the times that there is time for everything under the sun. There is time to be born and there is time to die. There is time to be happy and there is time for sorrow and sadness. Now just like that, even in our day-to-day lives, it is so very crucial that we understand the times and moments that we are living in. In each and every person's life, there is time for everything. Right? I need you to know this and listen this carefully, guys, ladies and gentlemen, if you are listening from wherever you are. If you follow and understand the times that you are in life and in business, in whatever aspect of your life, you'll be successful. Why am I saying this? I want to give you a good example. If you want to plant something, a plant, you take a seed. After taking a seed, you put it into the ground. After putting it into the ground, it germinates. And for germination, we need a certain atmosphere or a certain number of conditions for the seed to germinate. After germination, the plant starts to grow, right? After growing, within the growing stage, you need to know what to do at each and every time of the plant, right? Whilst it's growing. And then there comes harvest. The greatest challenge that we are facing today with so many people is that we do not know which time are we within our lives and within our plans. Right. Your dream goal or your life is like a plant. It needs to germinate. And at each and every stage of germination of the plan or of the goal, you need to understand the atmosphere, the conditions which are necessary for your plan to germinate. So when you are at the stage of germination, don't use the conditions that are needed for growth, no, or don't use the conditions that are needed for what do we call this? For harvest, right? When you are germinating, when it's time for germination, you need to be having a good moisture content, right? And neither sunlight is it needed for germination, right? But when we are talking about growth, we need sunlight, we need more water. But if you confuse the part of growth and start using more water and sunlight and having no moisture content for germination, the plant or the seed will not germinate, right? And if you use moisture content that is less and you do not use more water for growth, the plant will still not grow, right? But remember that when it's harvest time, you no longer need moisture content, you no longer need sunlight, you no longer need to water the plant like you used to do it before then. That's how life it is. Understand the times. In your life, you need to understand, where am I right now? That is why I always tell people that it is necessary that you should ask yourself these 4 questions in life. Actually, these 3 questions. Who am I? Where am I coming from? Where am I? And where am I going? Because if you check where you are and if you manage to answer yourself these questions, you'll be able to know what kind of strategies to utilize or to attack or to use at that current moment that you are in life. If it is in business, if you check your PLC, the product life cycle, it tells you that at each and every stage there are so many strategies or marketing strategies that are used determining or depending on the stage that you are. So ladies and gentlemen, in this short podcast, it is wise that you know and understand the times. Even the Bible in Psalms, it says, Lord, teach us to number our days, that we might be able to know how to utilize the times. It is necessary that you know how to use your time, how to utilize your time, and know which stage you are in life. Your friends in life, they might be at a stage of harvest, but you are not there. Be chilled. Your friends, they might be at a stage of germination, but you are at the growth stage. Know the times and know how to deal with different people in accordance to time. Now the problem comes when people don't know their times and they want to live in a time that is not theirs, and they're in their and outside their time zones. If you are in Africa, you cannot be living in a time zone that is of in the States. No, you have the ability to know your time and live within your time zone. Right? Now, with patience, persistence, passion, perseverance, prayer, and with God, all things are possible. Now may God bless you and may He bless this nation. Keep shining.